If your child loves reading storybooks but feels scared when they see a computer or a code, this passage is for you. Most parents today want their children to be confident with technology, but when coding is introduced, it suddenly feels difficult, confusing, and stressful. And that is not because your child is not smart. It because coding is usually taught in the wrong way. Children learn best when something feels familiar. They understand stories, they understand characters, they understand language. And coding is also a language, just like English, just like a story. That is why the best place to start coding is not with the complex programming, but with HTML. HTML is the language of the web. Every website your child see it built with HTML, and the beautiful part is HTML is a simple, visual and easy to understand. When children learn HTML, they can actually see what they are creating. A heading appears, a picture shows, a paragraph forms. That is instant feedback makes learning exciting instead of a scary. But something even more important happens. When a child learns HTML early, they are not just learning how to use a computer, they are learning how to think. They begin to understand structure, they learn how ideas are organized, they start solving problems step by step. This improves readings, logics, and focus. It builds confidence and it teaches them that they can create something on their own. Children who learn simple coding early becomes more curious, more independent, and more confident with the technology as they grow. That is why I create something very different. I made a storybook where a small character named Taggy goes on a little adventure, and while children enjoy the story, they are actually learning real HTML. There are no apps to install, no complicated video to follow, no pressure. Just one simple book that children can read at their own pace. Inside this book, kids see real HTML tags, but they are explained in the way a 7-year-old can understand. So instead of feeling scared of coding, children feel excited to turn the page. And when child enjoy learning, they keep going. If you are parents who loves books and also want to give your child a strong foundation in technology and thinking skill, this HTML storybook was made for you. You can find the book in the link below this video. Thank you for being a part of Bookish Wit. Here, every book opens a new door for a children's